so bored today.
Yep.
Hello, guys. Oh, who said that? It's us. Huh? The Sonic group. What are you doing here?
What are you doing?
Oh, we're just here to visit you. That's good. Well, you're officially on the group now. Well, name's Sonic. Sonic the Hedgehog. Meet Tails and Knuckles.
Yep.
What's up? Don't say hello.
Hello.
Well, you're always welcome to stay. Well, what leads you there? Well, our dimension is kind of in shambles right now. Well, so we had to wait until we had to wait until Friday to be fixed. Okay, okay. You've finally been officially owned by the team. Nice. You'll be staying here as a son. You'll be forever stay here as son until Friday, till your home gets free.
Yep.
The end.